Good day, sir. I'm Linwell Navarro, your food server today. Allow me to demonstrate you the use of spoon and fork as a tongue. May I, sir?
Sure.
Ito muna, teka lang. First, put this spoon on the left hand, like this, and the fork in the front of the spoon, like this. Now you have tongue. You can carry this bread, pasta, or slice of fruit. You can carry it without using a normal tongue like this. Would you like to try it, sir?
Sure. Like this?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Thank you for your time, and I will appreciate the time you leave. Enjoy your meal, and have a nice day. Excuse me, sir.